Vishnu IAS Academy. In this video, we are going to tell you what our new program Magic of Mains is all about. Why are we bringing out this specific course? Mains is all about your synergy of your knowledge, consistency, and most importantly your patience and practice. Practice makes man perfect. You must have heard it, but you will need to practice so much that at the end of the session, you will be prepared to sit for 3 hours and attempt all the 20 questions on your mains paper. In our test series, we are not going to segregate between prelims and mains. We are going to give you micro listings, sectional listings, and comprehensive listings. We believe that only when your foundation is strong, your mains can be attempted in a right manner. Second, we believe that the trend of UPSC has been changing. The questions that were asked in 1995 are no more asked. For that, we analyzed past 10 to 15 years of papers and we realized that there is a changing trend, right? So we do all the hard work for you and we give you the questions based on the current UPSC pattern. We also give you the chance to acclimatize with the UPSC interface. That means we will provide you with the 3 hours pattern. We will make you sit for the 3 hours and give the answers based on the weightage of the questions, quality of the questions, segregated on difficulty, medium and simple questions. Last, by the end of our session, you will have an entire profile for yourself where your strengths and weaknesses are mentioned and where you will learn from your own mistakes so that you will be mains ready. But how are we different from other institutions? Like I said, we will give you everyday timetable. Every day what you have to read, the micro topics, we will provide you the soft copy of the material you need to prepare for that particular topic, and extremely important, we will evaluate even your daily answers. That means all the 3 questions that you write in a week is evaluated. That leads to 21 questions of your entire week and 20 questions at the end of your comprehensive test series. You know what this means, right? That means you will answer more than 1000 answers which are also evaluated before your mains. What is the duration of our course? Our duration of the course is 8 months, but the last 2 months is only the leverage you get. So try and attempt your papers on schedule and try to finish it by 8 months. This extra 2 months leverage is because sometimes you might not be able to schedule your exam on time. You might fall sick, you might have to go out and various other reasons. For that, we give you extra 2 months of leverage. What is that we are offering through our MOM series? In this series, we will give you daily targets, weekly targets and what you have to prepare for that entire week. That means we will schedule the micro schedules for you so that you don't have to stress of planning the micro listings. We provide you with strategy videos. But what do you mean by strategy videos? You and I might have the same content, but we never know how to put that content in the contextual question. That means we have to provide the answer to the demand of the questions. What is the introduction to that question? What is the body to that question? And what is the conclusion to that question? When you attempt more than 1000 answers right, you will be automatically able to figure out what is the demand of the question. We provide you with mind maps, infographics, flowcharts. But why are these necessary? When you already have your reference books? You can't read the entire Lakshmikant just before going to your exam, right? So we do all this hard work for you so that just before you go to your exam, we will remind you what to study, what is important for your examination. Model answers to improve your answers. We are not telling you that your answers are bad. Your answers are near to perfect. But we analyze all the answers and we give you that one perfect answer where if you don't even like one word or one sentence of your answer, you might take the inspiration from the model answers and get to that ideal answer. Value added material. Why do you need value added material when you already have a perfect reference material? Your perfect reference material won't take into consideration your current trends. For instance, you might read about anti-defection law throughout your preparation, but today there might be a Supreme Court judgment on that particular topic. We will ensure that you add this particular judgment to your answer and enrich it to impress the evaluator. Live and recorded classes. All the discussions we provide you are going to be recorded. If you miss the live recording, if you miss the live sessions, you can always go back to our recording, and these are valid for the entire 1 year. Your answers are evaluated by our expert faculties. What do I mean by expert faculties? These people are not only the academicians, they understand the demand of this examination. They have studied the UPSC patterns, assessed it, and they will give you what you need, both in the terms of your quality and what needs to be put according to the context of the question. Monthly Current Affairs magazine. While it is extremely important to read your daily newspaper, it is very evident that we need to revise these current affairs on a regular basis. For that, we will compile all the daily news items and we will provide you with a full compilation of the entire month at the end of the month. Discussion classes. Like I've already mentioned, after every grandeur test at the end of the week, you will be provided with a discussion session. All your doubts will be cleared in your entire discussion class. We will sometimes also take up live evaluation and will show you how we evaluate your papers. We also give you with a one-on-one interaction session. That means, though 99.9 questions are answered and doubts are relieved, we ensure that even the 0.1 is not gone somewhere. So for that purpose, we will sit down and talk to you about your doubts even if one of them is not solved. We provide you with quality of teachers, quality of questions and quality of mentors. But we are not accessible to everyone. Why do I say that we are not accessible to everyone? We have only very limited seats. We only take up few students because we wanted to be a focused students. We believe that quantity dilutes quality. And we believe that your success is our credibility and we take pride in it. So, we are open for our admissions for our new MOM series. Do contact us for further enquiries. Thank you.